channel. This is pizza.
Pizza.
And
And
white
then?
sauce.
Mushroom.
Nice. Okay, go on. That's called toppings.
No, that's mushroom.
Yeah, mushrooms are the toppings, okay? You want to put a little bit of cheese first so that your toppings will stick to the pizza, okay? Spread it nicely. Like that. Yeah. Put more here at the sides. At the sides. Spread evenly. Yeah. Okay.
This is all over the pizza.
Okay, now you can put toppings.
What are the different toppings you have?
The topping is this.
Very nice. And what is that?
It is mushroom.
Cool.
This is for daddy. This is for daddy and mommy. Now we're going to put pepperoni.
Nice.
Enough pepper. Now we need another pepper.
You have to, whatever you put on the pizza, you have to spread it everywhere, okay? Don't just put in one place. Good, well done. Now take the green pepper. Yeah. Well done.
Salt this.
Nice. Okay. And then what do we have next?
Onion.
Okay.
Let me spread everything in this pizza. Now we're going to put olives.
Yay. Okay. Spread it nicely. Put everywhere.
Yeah. Okay. You wanna put some over here at this side? On the peppers, over the sausage. Yes, over the onion, the olives. Yeah?
And the sausage.
Yeah.
And this.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Good. Maybe you want to put a little bit more pepper?
I'll put a little more pepper.
Okay.
Put this onto the ketchup.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
And
put
we
yellow
can
pepper, you
and
can
we
put green
and
pepper.
and we also can put in the oven.
Yes, you're going to put it in the oven. You're going to put the yellow pepper?
Yeah.
Good.
Now, can I put the green?
Yes.
We got 3 peppers.
Very good. That's it. Okay?
Last, we're going to put more cheese on the pizza.
Yay.
You want to put this side? Yeah. Yeah, put it everywhere. Good job.
Okay, put a little bit more peppers.
Yes,
If you
you
want,
can.
yeah.
And the green one.
Yeah. You can put it here because there's no sausages there.
Mommy is putting some olive oil. Can you also put over the ketchup?
Yeah, sure we can.
Are we ready to pop the pizza into the oven?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's do it.
Thank you.
Oh no. Yay!
This is for whom?
Favorite!
Where's all your pepper?
I don't like it with pepper. Pizza is ready.
Let's
Eat!
yay!
First we cut it like that and like that.
I see. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again.